सारी पन्नियाँ पड़ी हुई हैं और सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे सिगरेट के पैकेट पड़े मिले हुए हैं। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ सभी से,
So I hope to create awareness in each and everyone to have that same feeling, not just live your own little life in your own house and your own, area, but really to be as a guest on this earth in your life. And we all have to live together. So whether it is an insect, a reptile, a human or an animal or a plant kingdom, we all sharing life and we actually all interconnected. Where there is suffering there is suffering here. It's all interconnected. So when we can uplift each other a little bit, then we can all contribute to the well-being of life itself. And what is life? Life is a gift